Njengoba isifundazwe iGauteng sesiyisizinda sesiwombe sesithathu sokuhlasela kwe-COVID-19, kujutshwe abezempilo bombutho wezokuvikela abangama-60 ukusiza izibhedlela ezidonsa kanzima. Isibalo sabasuleleka ngaleli gciwane sesedlule iy'nkulungwane ezimbili esabe sibikwe esiwombeni sesibili.
Our province is under fire. This place is burning with coronavirus.
Kodwa okwamanje ayikaqiniswa imigomo ye-lockdown kulesi sifundazwe.
I can't say that what we have done is enough. So I can't rule that out. That we may need more restrictions, but it is something that's going to be discussed.
Ezizimele kanye nezikahulumeni sezigcwele ngo-70 wamaphesenti.
Today we had 1,470 patients admitted in public sector, and then in the private sector it was 3,448.
Umbutho wezokuvikela usungenelele.
A task group can nurse at least an average of 60 to 100 patients. But because of rotation of shifts and the fact that we are supplementing an already existing organization, we cannot then say how many patients in ratio of how many personnel.
Inhlangano yabahlengikazi iDinosa isemukele lesi sinyathelo.
Additional hands are indeed welcomed. As Dinosa and Gauteng, we do welcome the deployment of the militaries because it's going to assist our members.
Izisebenzi zezempilo zombutho wezokuvikela zizohlala lapha insuku ezimbili kuya kwezintathu.